Welcome to the podcast, Sparked Realities. This is our first ever episode, and I am Camille Castaneda, your host. Ayun, so today, gusto kong pag-usapan natin, wow, I want to tackle about, very teacher talaga siya. Pero seriously, for our first episode, let's talk about the title itself of the podcast, Sparked Realities. So, why Sparked Realities? And also, gusto kong mag-share sa inyo ng one sparked reality moment sa buhay ko to inspire and para somehow makilala nyo rin ako. Then, ano pa ba yung aasahan nyo sa podcast? Yun. So, before tayo pumunta doon sa title ng podcast, pakilala muna ako for viewers na hindi pa ako kilala. 'Di ba? So, I am Camille Castaneda. I am currently living here in Osaka, Japan. But originally, I am from Candelaria, Quezon in the Philippines. Ayan po. So, magto 2 years na ako dito sa Japan. I am a caregiver. And so far, happy naman po ako where I am at in life. Wow, daming hanash. And yun po, meron nga ako, I'm doing vlogging also. So, yeah, I have vlog Camille in Osaka. Uy, nag-ano pa siya, nag-promote. Pero yun, I do vlogging also. And kung bakit ako nag-turn into podcast also, I want to share a lot sa inyo guys, sa totoo lang. And ako, a lot of people know, my friends, my family, mahilig akong humanash. And I have a lot of thoughts and ideas na sana, as given the chance na makapag-share ako sa mas marami is may matouch din ako, may matulungan din ako somehow dun sa mga insights ko in life. So yun, kaya from vlogging, nagkaroon ako ng idea, why not do also the podcast. So hopefully ay magtuloy-tuloy tayo dito sa podcast. So yun, konting brief idea lang sa akin. So yun, para may idea kayo kung sinatch ite. Ayun. So let's go kung bakit sparked realities. Uy. So kung bakit sparked realities, sa totoo lang, hindi ganun kadaling isipin kung ano yung podcast name. Kasi sobrang dami ng may podcast. So, iba't ibang names na yung meron sila. So, isip ko, ano kaya? Ano kaya yung name na pwede sa akin? Ano kayang title? Tapos, gusto ko rin, broad siya. Ayoko na, alam mo yun, parang ito lang topic na to kasi feeling ko talaga mag-grow tayo and makaka-invite tayo ng mga people na pwede nating makausap. So, gusto ko broad siya. So that's why it sparked realities. Kasi I believe lahat tayo, we have a lot of different sparked experiences in our lives na nag-change or nag-transform sa buhay natin. Naniniwala ako na, and I myself experienced it in life na there's a lot of transitions na nangyayari sa buhay natin. Sabi nga ni Popoy and ni Basha, di ba, wow, walang constant na tao. Yung pag-uugali, lahat tayo as we grow, as tumanda tayo, nagbabago tayo day by day. 'Di ba? Na yung, kaya nga sabi, pag nagmahal ka daw, ay, pag nagmahal ka daw, mahalin mo yung a changing person. Kasi definitely, as you grow old together, that person will change. Ang daming version of him and her na pwede mong ma-experience. So, yun. So, ganun din sa life. Kaya nga, meron tayong changes in life kasi our life is ganun. Hindi siya laging ito lang. Kaya nga, di ba, a lot of season. Minsan nandito ka lang sa season na to, the next season. So, ganun din po yung life ko. And I believe the viewers also, kayo din, guys, experience a lot of seasons in our life. So yun, that's why it is sparked reality. Those sparks na minsan pumasok lang sa isip natin, what if maging ganito ko? What if makapunta ako dun? What if ma-experience ko to? What if? Those what ifs. Na minsan thoughts lang eh. Hindi mo inisip na sasuccess ka eh. Chares. Hindi mo inisip na lalakaran mo talaga siya. Tapos magugulat ka na lang. It is your reality. It is your now. 'Di ba? Actually, guys, ito mismo, the podcast itself, the vlogging itself, Hindi po ako yun. Hindi kasi ako, may pagka-shy type ako, hindi lang halata. And hindi po ako ganun ka-confident, lalo na growing up, lalo na nung mga younger years ko pa. So, seeing myself doing the vlogging and doing this podcast is really, hindi ko talaga maiisip. Ayun. So, ito, naniniwala ko, it is one of those sparks and I thank God kasi I am now living in those sparks. This is now my reality. Ayun. So that's why it is titled Sparked Reality. 'Di ba? Sparked Reality. So, 'di ba? Mali pa siya. Ayun. So, yon. Bakit? Yun yung name ng podcast. And sabi ko nga kanina, I want to share to you one of my experiences or one of the spark in my life. Yeah. So, ito yung isip ko na siya before. Kung ano ba yung isi-share ko sa inyo. So, kung bakit sparked reality, mali na naman siya. Okay. One of my experiences or one of the spark in my life is that nung naisip ko to live abroad. Live. Oo, na tumira po sa abroad, na manirahan sa abroad here in Japan. Kasi ako talaga growing up, nung bata ako, yung tatay ko, OFW din. So, ayoko, parang hindi ko siya, sa totoo lang, it's one of the things that I hate. Parang hindi ko siya thing. Kasi, kumbaga, for 7 years, hindi ko na-meet yung tatay ko. So, parang ayoko siyang gawin sa life ko. So, hindi ko talaga siya naisip. Parang, madami akong relatives abroad. Pero never akong nainggit or nagka-idea na parang one day, I'll go there. Weird nga eh. Kasi di ba parang a lot of people, pag ganun yung experience nila or may idea sila or may kakilala sila abroad, sana ako one day, ako din. Ako talaga hindi. Parang, no, I'm happy in the Philippines. Pero, yun nga yung sabi ko, minsan talaga hindi mo alam kung anong i-offer ng life sa'yo. So, this one, kaya ako nagkaroon ng spark living abroad is, I remember that, siguro way back 2016, ganyan, yung tito ko, nag-offer sa sister ko na mag-study siya dito din sa Japan. Hindi sa akin inoffer, pero that time, there's a spark in my mind na parang for the first time, siguro I'm like, nasa 20-ish. I don't know if I'm 20 or teenager pa ako that time. So, late teens. Na parang minsan sa buhay ko, for the first time is, what if? May what if ako na, parang nakaka-excite, parang nakakatawa. That's the first part na nangyari sa nagka-idea ako regarding living abroad. Pero sobrang layo sa realidad kasi I don't have the capacity. Parang sobrang imposible. Pero for me, that's the first part. And yeah, hello, I'm living here. 'Di ba? So, first, sa ate ko in-offer, but my ate was about to get married na that time. So, sa akin, why not ako? And actually, nag-attempt ako first try. Nagwo-work na rin ako noon. Pero since yung first abroad ko po is I was a student visa here in Japan. So, ang daming papers and kailangan na requirements. So, nung first attempt ko, hindi po ako na-approve or hindi ko na-go on, hindi ko siya actually na-process kasi kulang yung requirements ko. And the second time, yun, nangyari na that spark turned into reality. So, 2018, nakapunta po ako ng Japan. Nakapag-aral ako for 1 year in Tokyo. And hindi siya actually nagtuloy-tuloy. And I need to come home na noon sa Philippines 2019, March, I think. But from that, talagang yung spark nung pagtira sa abroad ay hindi na natapos sa akin. So, I know that time kasi nung student ako, sobrang walang-wala akong pera. Nag-Japan lang ako pero wala talaga akong pera. And talagang sobrang limited yung resources ko. And I promised to myself, one day, Camille, babalik tayo and you are able. And hindi ko alam kung paano. I really don't know how. Kung paano mangyayari yun. Alam ko lang, ganun lang katindi yung belief ko that time na alam ko makakabalik ako. Alam ko mangyayari. Alam ko lahat ng gusto kong gawin nun sa Japan na hindi ko magawa that time kasi limited yung resources kong magagawa ko. And yes, I am here for the comeback ang person. O, di ba? So, nakabalik po ako dito year 2023, April. And I am an SSW visa as in caregiving. And yun po, I could say na I have a better luck na thank you din kay Papa God. Better position now here kasi mas secure yung visa ko. I know kung hanggang kailan lang. And focus na talaga ako sa work. I'm not doing part-times. Talaga nagwo-work ako. And yun, I am living one of my spark into my reality. I am able na to enjoy certain stuff, nakakapag explore na tayo, nakakapag-try ng mga kung anik-anik, and ang saya. 'Di ba? Nakakatuwa na yung late teens na bagets na yon na naisip niya lang, what if nga, 'di ba? She's experiencing 4 seasons already. Wow. 'Di ba, na nakakakilig lang, 'di ba? Yung may mga certain kilig tayo, pero ako kasi ano ako, baka realistic ako. Yung parang malabo 'yan, malabo 'yan. So, daydreaming lang pero grabe. A lot of time God proved to me na walang imposible. Walang imposible talaga. So, from there talaga tinaasan ko na talaga yung mga dreams ko kasi walang imposible kay Papa God. So yun, that is one of the sparked reality experience ko in life. So, 'di ba? Sinong mag-iisip na makakalipad nga ako, not just once but twice. Nakabalik uli ako, 'di ba? And imagine mo, dito pa ako nagvo-vlog-vlog, nagpo-podcast, oh, 'di ba? So hindi talaga natin alam kung ano yung mga certain transformation, shifts in life na pwede pang mangyari. So hopefully guys, as I continue doing my podcast, malay nyo one day, someday, someone, a viewer, a friend, a family member could join me and share his or her own sparked reality moments in her life, and we'll talk about that. So siguro yun yung isang one of my hope, wow, wish dito sa aking podcast na may ma-interview tayo kasi nakakatawa yun, yung hindi lang ako. Kasi nakakapagod eh. Ayun. So, that's it. One of the Combat Spark Realities and my Spark Reality experience. Ayun. So, 'di ba? Very short lang tayo kasi first naman, bawi tayo next. Wow. Ayun. So, kung anong aasahan natin sa podcast natin. So, yun, talk about stuff, life, ganyan. My own experiences, share ko sa inyo. Hope I could inspire, enlight, ayun, entertain. Ayun, and I'll be having my podcast episode every Monday, 6 p.m. So, every week, meron tayong entry. Good luck to me, gagalingan ko. Ayan, so every Monday at 6 p.m. tayo maglo-launch, magpa-publish ng ating podcast episode. Ayun po. So, yun, again, thank you for joining me for our very first episode of Sparked Realities. See you next week. May we have the